In this tutorial, we're going to demonstrate how to use absolute cell references to complete this payroll worksheet for Wolfe Integration Systems weekly payroll. First, we're going to calculate the federal income taxes for Jane. We're going to do equals her gross pay, multiply it times the federal income tax rate, which is a constant of 20% in this example. We're going to hit enter. Now you'll see that calculates to $125. We want to be able to use this same formula over again for Brenda, Sean, Mark, Laura, and Renee. However, if we drag down to use the autofill capability, we're going to notice the calculation is going to automatically go for K6, which is the row we're hoping for, multiplied by C15. Unfortunately, C15 is the state income tax rate. We do not want that to happen. So to avoid that, we can use an absolute cell reference. An absolute cell reference will make C14 become a constant for us to use to stay the same each time we drag down. So we put a dollar sign in front of the C, and we put a dollar sign in front of the 14. This makes this an absolute reference. So when we hit enter, the data still stays to be the 125. But when we drag this down now, what you're going to see is that C14 is now constantly used across the board for that calculation. We'll do the same for the state income tax. We'll hit equals the gross pay, multiply it times the state income tax rate. And again, we'll make this a constant. We'll put the dollar sign in front of each. I'll do the same for Social Security. I will do the gross pay times the Social Security tax rate. And for the medical insurance, it's going to be the fixed rate of $120 for all. Again, using the formula, and I will make that a constant as well. So you'll see 120. Now to finish this section up, I will highlight all three columns, use the autofill drag down, and therefore my constants will be used properly. So 120 is the same everywhere. You can verify the cell C16 is used everywhere for Social Security. C15 is used everywhere for state. And if we ever make a change to a constant in the value of using this, we make an update. Let's say federal income tax rate is actually 15%. All of our data automatically updates. Therefore, we didn't hard code the 15% in our formula for our calculation. We're using this section in our document for constants, and then we're making absolute cell references when we're creating our formulas. Let's just finish this off real quick. Let's do the take-home pay now, which could be equals the gross pay minus the sum of each one of these deductions, and we'll do a range in this case. And we'll calculate each employee's take-home pay. Once that's calculated, and we drag down, we can see that that's each person's take-home pay after they've worked at their hourly rate and they've had their deductions subtracted out. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to me directly. You can find my contact information on my website, professorwolfe.com, or put comments below this video. Thank you.